Previously on the life of a Broski.
Perfect.
Hello broskies and welcome back to another edition of Buy or Buy. If you're new here, I'm Erkin and this is the life of a broski, where I bring you sneakers, lifestyle and more waffle than Captain Birdseye. But broskies, before I get started with the waffle on this classic sneaker, don't forget to smash that like button and that subscribe button because it helps this channel out tremendously. Now, what else has not already been said about this classic Air Max 90 silhouette? I have already done the Air Max 90 Vault colorway, but when I saw this colorway on Foot Locker, I did actually pick these up for £61. But anyways broskies, enough waffle, let's get straight into the sneaker. Now these are retailing for £100, and even though I did get a bargain for £61 for this wacky, trendy and retro colorway, in my opinion £100 is still worth it. Now of course we have that classic styling with the Air Max 90, with the upper consisting of mesh, synthetic leather and of course TPU. What really drew me to this colorway is of course the placement of the red orbit and the psychic purple. It does really complement the black and the whites on this sneaker. Of course we have that classic Air Max unit at the back with that cushioned foam midsole towards the front. There is that fleece material on the inside of the sneaker which adds tremendous amounts of cushioning. Now in terms of sizing, these are a size 9 and of course for me I am a size 9 UK, so these did fit true to size. I had no problems there. In terms of comfort, I cannot complain whatsoever. The reason I have a few pairs of the Air Max 90 is because they are known for that comfortability, and luckily they have not changed a thing in that department. Out of 10, I am going to give an 8.5. Now when it comes to breathability, the mesh on this sneaker, especially when it comes to the Air Max 90s, it's like they're designed for the summer, and it's nice to have a good rotation for the summer when it comes to the Air Max 90. So out of 10, a banging 9. So broskies, I have to decide whether these are a buy or a buy. And of course, you already know my feelings to the Air Max 90. It's an OG in the game, one of the forefathers, and one of my personal favorite colorways of this sneaker. So I'm going to give these a buy. Definite one to keep in my collection, and I'm just waiting for that barbecue to bring these out. But broskies, let me know what you think. Are you a fan of this classic and iconic silhouette? Leave your comments down below, and of course I will be pinning the best one. But anyways broskies, I hope you're staying safe, and as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and of course until the next episode, take care.